I. Let's solve this together. So we have 3 log base 8 xy is equals to 4 log base 2 to an argument of x. So this is equation 1. So let's polish equation 1. So we have log 8 here and log base 2 here, which are not equal. But we can utilize the property of logarithm where log 8 can, let's say log a base a raised to the power of n with an argument of b. We can write this as 1 over n log base a to an argument of b. So we are going to utilize this property in modifying this. Okay, so now we can write this as 3 log, this is 2 to the power of 3, to the power of 3 is equals to 8. So xy is equals to 4 log base 2 x. So we can write this as 3 log, so this becomes 1 over 3, so times 1 over 3 log 2 xy. This is equals to 4 log to the power of x. So this cancels this, and then we can write this now as log base 2 xy is equals to, now we can take this so that x can be raised to the power of 4. So we have log base 2 and then 4x rather to the power of 4. So this cancels this. You're left with xy is equals to x to the power of 4. Now we can polish this by writing it to be y is equals to, so 4 minus 1, that is x to the power of 3. So let's see, this is equation, okay, let's give this equation 2. Okay, oh pardon, we already have equation 2, so let's say this is equation 3. So from equation 2 we already have equation 2, and from equation 2 let's write, from equation 2 we already have it to be log base 2 power of y, argument of y is equals to 1 plus log base 2 and then x. Now we can polish this by taking this to the side. So we have log 2 base 2 y minus log base 2x is equals to 1, but our 1 can be written as log 2 base 2 and then we have 2 here. Okay, so we can write this as, utilizing the quotient row of logarithm, we can write this as log base 2, where we have y over x is equals to log base 2, and then we have 2. So this cancels this, you're left with y over x is equals to 2. Okay, so we can write it as y over x is equals to 2, can be written as y is equals to 2x. So we can substitute it to this, let's substitute it to equation 3. So let's give this equation, let's say this is equation 4 now. Okay, equation 4. So we can substitute equation 4 to equation 3. Sorry for the not using the numerals properly. It's equation 3. So from equation 3 you have y is equals to x to the power of 3. So now we can substitute this into this. and so we have 2x is equals to x to the power of 3. So we can write this as, this is 3, so 3 minus 1, we have 2 is equals to x squared, right? So x is equals to, when we take the square root of both sides, this becomes root 2. Now we can substitute x is equals to root 2 into equation 4. Okay, so into equation 4, so this is equation 5 now. So substitute equation 5 into equation 4. So we have y to be equals to 2. Our x is root 2, so we have root 2. So y is equals to 2 root 2. So this is equals to y, hence our x is equals to root 2, and then our y is equals to 2 root 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you.